Welcome to Win2uit and our contract manufacturing. We're glad you're here. I'm Donald Sharper, Director of Sales.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Poppel. I'm the Director of Operations for Win2uit.
And I'm Rick Smith, Plant Manager here at Win2uit.
Our goal here at Win2uit is to be your secret partnership behind the scenes. Our job is to help you succeed in your projects.
We've invested in our equipment, tools, and people to help you better succeed in your business.
Take a look around our website, take a look at our capabilities card. If you have any questions whatsoever, just contact us, click that little button, let us know what you need, and we're here to help.
We want to be a different OEM partner for you guys. We want to end transactional relationships. We want the Winston experience to be the weapon you would look forward to. Give us a call. Give us a chance to be your partner. You won't be disappointed.